And welcome back. Now, last time we was at the part where we was at the cutscene. Now let's get back to the cutscene and let's go.
Remember you fuckers. You bailed on a perfectly good scheme. Who found out if you just stood by me? 6-year-old girl. My niece died because you went too far. Oh, you're adorable. Blaming your family problems on me? Damien crossed the line. He made the Batman angry. What about me? What about you? You're not the only one suffering. They made me crippled. They took everything from me. You see, that's what binds us together. You got nothing I need. There was another hacker. There was a second hacker. And I know how to find him. Well, that may be it, Damien. But you can't do it on your own. You need me. Your big problem is I don't need you. Don't walk away. This is the lead. Thanks for the tip. I used to look up to Damien. Taught me how to ferret out weak code and exploit it. And I taught him how to do the same without a computer. People can be more vulnerable than their systems. We were a strong team. After Lena, I was done with him. Didn't waste time thinking about him. And now he's creeping back in. I need to know what he's got on the Merlot.
I do not know what to say right now. Oh my gosh. I'm sitting here just wandering around. I do not know what to say. So it looks like Damien's mad right now. He sounds pissed off right now. I like how he just said that. He just said thanks for the tip. Why am I so quiet? I just have nothing to talk about right now. It's spring break. I should be happy. I don't know. Now I'm feeling like a girl for no reason. Really makes no sense. So, please like and subscribe and comment. I really want to know what you're going to say. And yeah, that's it. I really need your support. So let's see. You gotta hear the news thing. Hey, you just got to. I don't know, you can't skip up the radio or once you get to the news thing. I don't know how. I just know how it's... Never mind. I'm not gonna get on this stupid topic. Hold on. I wonder what this mission is going to be now. one of the best cars in the game. One of the best. Because he doesn't get hurt a lot. He looks at traffic. Barely. It's the same way it was. Didn't we already have this is deja vu right now. I thought we already went here before. Deja vu. I don't know.
You know who keeps leaving the flowers?
No. That girl has a lot of friends.
Hat. This is about letting go.
I know.
We've all suffered a horrible nightmare, but you have to stop trying to fix it.
I'm not trying to fix anything.
Aiden, I know what you're doing. I know you're chasing after the people who did this. When you do that, you put us all in danger again.
You are not in danger. Because I protect you.
Do you hear yourself? Aiden, why can't you stop?
Because... I need to know.
You are my brother, and I love you. But Jackson is my world, and I will keep you away in a second before I let him get hurt. Promise me you will stop. You can't save Lena.
I killed her.
No, you didn't. I don't blame you. But promise me you will stop. We need this as a family.
I promise. Maybe she's right. Lena's dead. I can't change that. How do I just walk away?
That was sad right there.
You've got a problem. Survivor from the stadium. That guy talks. He'll ID you. Survivor? How did that happen? I'm guessing he didn't die. Now, relax. I got a plan. Meet me at Gorman Heights on the rooftop.
That's a plan.
They need to crack down on that.
Nope. Alright. That just made me super afraid. See how I just go into one topic and just talking. Hold up. You know I have to do these crimes. I want to be the good person in this life.
Sorry.
Hey, over here.
Oh, shoot. I don't know why I popped out like that. Look at my gun. I don't know why I keep bringing these different guns in. Let me get to this mission. You know, I might as well just end it right here. I don't want to waste my time. I might as well just see you later next time, and please leave a comment and like and subscribe. I really need your support. Thank you. Bye, and stay tuned. Peace.